Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
A few moments later.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, how the latest news them love.
People walk one, yo people, Alkaline shell down Guyana botheration, yo. Nah lie, yo the youth are real legend. You understand? And them not see nothing yet, yo. If you see people, Alkaline shut down your whole of Ghana, you know? The whole of Guyana. If you say, I wait for see Alkaline, you know. Yo, the youth here, in a film young days so powerful, it no normal people. But look at now, me I give you a quality video. Yo, we are give all of the impactful moments in the show. You understand? But listen what I go on, cause look here, me I tell you say the whole traffic and everything ram up head to botheration for the Alkaline. So look here, look what I go on.
Put Alkaline on the stages yet, what they say?
But Alka black off whole like bombard highway.
Half of the people who support, half the fans coming, we coming, holy faith, and we wait, moving.
Alright, you see that entrance here, people? Superstar entrance. Me I tell you, it no normal. Yo, me tell people, you know, yo, the people them a wait. Let me tell you two things with them a wait, pan. You see the Lala and the girl good. Yo, remember, you know, Guyana, see what go on at Barclays Center, you know. And them a say, yo, a shell we are go, yo, them tear up the place. So look at now, the young lad that step in. Superstar. Man is not a normal artist. You understand? Me say about 30,000 people. I saw them say. But when you see crowd, yo, you can't even deny it. But look what I go on. Good phone lights. I was going. Last night, I see one you dush. I will say, family dush ask the phone light. Una for us watch a superstar and learn. You understand? Yeah, man, keep the corner league over there. Say a big league over here, so. Yo, let me tell you this. You can't go stop that youth here. That youth here now left a game. Look on the crowd. We are wait on the youth. You understand? I don't know normal this. Me tell you already, you know. The stone of the builder refuse become the head cornerstone. You see, he hate when you give that youth here. He might come do something in a dance hall. Where you not go see him and say, yo, can't hate that youth no more. Remember me tell you this, all the fight and all of this. You know, go on. Listen to superstar mash up place. So look at now, people. This, cause you know me I give you different angle, you know, based on the performance. So you don't know that was the entrance. This are the same entrance, but this are in the crowd now. You don't know right front high stage. You understand? So look and see what I go on. So look at now, people. This is our next clip. See that clip here now? It far out. Same entrance, you know. But that one here, the far out now. You understand? Because I'm going to see the crowd. I don't know normal. Young lad, superstar, vendetta. I don't know normal, man. The whole Guyana say vendetta right now. Yo, the man a go drop badness it name. Yo, me nah lie. Alkaline have a yo, the man set list. It not normal. The man forward out and say, yo, a bad man. Guyana style, gangster. Yo, the man forward out, guns out, me I tell the people. You understand? The man forward out with ready. Ready when you're ready, and then the man, yo, drop badness it name. I know nothing normal that. Please have a shell. Oosh. Alright. You don't know a beer in a fact. Yo, for so much people, thousands of people wait for you. Remember, you know, it shows a Alkaline pull the crowd. Because him are the last artist to perform. And the people them waiting in rain for the moment. You understand? Superstar level. You see, the youth has gone 13 years in his career since him bus. And see what the youth a do? Enough of them never have them impact ya in them career like this. You see me? Yeah, man. But listen what I go on. Yo, me nah lie, no. The people them nah moving all over in a fall like vendetta boss them forward for see, no. You understand? I know nothing normal people. Yeah, man, it no normal. So look at now, people. The next video, you know, this Alkaline give the fans the mic for sing Walk and Bar Creep. People, the jive on Alkaline face for say, yo, that girl I know all her lyrics. The man have to say, yo, do it. But listen what I go on. Yo, that was a moment, me I tell you. Yeah, man, it's a joy for the artist, man. For say, yo, if wanna sing him song, so yeah, man, it's a joy, man, and the crowd, the energy connect. Yo, I one thing with Alkaline, you see the crowd, yo, that youth are powerful. Remember me tell you that here. You see me? Yo, people, that song yeah, named Different Story. That's how me tell you, say, yo, Alkaline powerful, you know. You see album where you drop in a March, enough of them message drop album and them can't even perform when I song out of it. You understand? Yo, people, this a different story where you are performing. This a first time I perform that song, you know. Me I tell you, all of them I talk about one song, this, that. This is a story song. It's not a song where you reel up a rave for certain song. It's just a song where you can vibes and sing. It's a melody song. You see me? Yeah. But listen what I go on. Different Story from NTP album. One of my favorite songs this Spanish story. May I tell you this? Yeah, man, people. It's not normal. Different story. Tough piece of song, may I tell you, man. Is it? So look here now. You don't know, say, this are the anthem. We talk about world anthem. After all. You understand? Mash up the place, people. Now forgot see that one here. Lift up the crowd here now, Alka. Yo, you man a rocky bombard place with yo all the umbrella them a move. Yo. Yo, that youth are unstoppable. Them can't hold back that youth. I mean, I tell you that. You not go see more. Your body attack about cancer show and bag of thing. Actually, man just go shell on Guyana and shut up. Remember me tell you that. You understand? Yeah, man. Youth a shell show and enough of the people. Alkaline full out a show. You know, see, all know them can't find a show for do. You understand? Alkaline full of show. Me I tell you, you not go see more of this or that. Me I tell you, look at Barbados people, them a wait. This a next one that. But listen what I go on. So look here now. That song here named Graduate. NTP album. People. Yeah, some people talk about one from Ray. Me tell you this. You see, Jamaica dancehall different from outside of the world dancehall. More when you hear them a chat this, that's Ray one song. The world out there rave. Adapt me I tell you. Wanna see how the album chart. The whole Caribbean. You understand? But listen to you to go sing it. Yeah, man, any guy try Gavlan cement, man, I know nothing normal. Adapt me rate with Alkaline. The youth perform him song them, brother. You understand? Graduate. Yeah, man, go listen to that. It's a long time. Alright now, people. This is the moment, well, one of the moment where Guyana wait pan. Remember say Barclays Center set the trend. But people remember that girl in a Barclays Center where her mouth look big. You know, say look like me find her sister down a Guyana. You know soon see? Yeah man, but this is the trend. The Lala. Yo, that song yeah, it a remark it. Like at first me see a song, remark it like based on yo, if the whole world I see that song yeah. That song yeah, I get pushed by the fans and the love of dancehall and not a record label. But listening to people can look here, everybody a tick-tock, la. But here we go on. A first artist me see have the people them a la. So, yo, you know that me tell you, you can't hold a youth here. Remember me tell you this. If you have a crowd in a rain, I sing la. You can't get no more impact than a superstar this brother. Alright people. You remember a girl in a Barclays Center? It look like her sister this. What do you think people? You feel her sister this? Listen what go on. Alright. So them are Indianese, Guyanese. You understand? Every whole of them are lala. People, see our next one here. La down in place. Alkaline raise the bar. People, me know so when they go home go sleep, I be a la them a dream about. All when they wake in the morning, girl good and la them a sing all rest of the day. Maybe a whole week or the month or the rest of the year. You understand? But all me know, the Guyanese them go home with a wonderful experience from the Vendetta boss. You understand? But look here, the girl them say la, and for the girl them say la, I hit a way I work with. Me no know, you know. I don't know Alkaline get to them girl yeah. But all me I say, Why? No mash up on no vice. May I tell you? You understand? But here is the next segment, people. I know Media Facts got to work already, don't? Yeah, man, I want Media Facts on the app. So, people, here comes the next impact. Girl, good. So, Alkaline, tell them. Bomba that yo. The man have a whole of Guyana. Yo, the man have a whole of Guyana. Yo, that youth ya. Chano Alka. You do it, youth. May I tell you, you do it. You understand? You do it. Alright now, people, so this is a different angle now. You understand? The one there was from the left. So the one you know, I face to the stage and the crowd. You understand? Different angle. You don't know, different reaction, different sound. Yo, Alkaline, catch the breaks there, you know. Jaja. Cause who don't want to see that video say bass drop? Yo, the reaction there a while ago. Wait, we have to pull up that one there. We have to pull up that back. We have to. See there? I slide the man nearly slide. People, I slide the man nearly slide. So Alkaline holy breaks, me I tell you. Yeah, man. Alright, people. Hear the reaction again. One thing you want them to understand. The girl them good, them good. Ease. Bombard, man. Oh, dog. Dog. Yo, that song ya? Me no know, like that song ya is a anthem. Me not talk about no Jamaica anthem, world anthem. This is the girl them. A good while now them now have a song will represent them the real way. You understand? See good and you sexy. Like a agent. I one thing they want you to understand. Yo, boy, Alka do some foot dance. Yo, dog, me I tell you that you are a legend. Alright now, people, so that one here at the front of the stage now, same girl good segment. You understand? So now go see the real crowd reaction na that one here. No bad word, don't hear that. Yo, people, this is on a different level. Have the people them in a rain. Yo, that youth are powerful people, may I tell you. Alright, so one girl here, girl good. Yo, let me tell you this, you can't tell the girl them say them not good right now. No? You can't tell the Guyanese girl them say them not good right now. You understand? Yeah, man. Them out. Cause look here, Alkaline, you know, animal weight pan girl good. So look here, makeup, everything, face shape, everything. You know that go. Them come out in a prettiest set of clothes and a bag of thing, makeup, eyelash, everything. Cause the girl them good. People. That was a wonderful experience from the Vendetta boss, Guyana. Loud. See you again. People, you don't know one media facts. Pick up on yourself. That is it. Out of here.